All right, for the fun part now. 1, 2, 3, cut.
The PCC Classroom, or the EE Exploration Center, is a place where kids in 7th and 8th grade at our Bluffton Middle School can come and explore all of the different careers and opportunities that they have moving forward. Hands-on experiences are those that you'll remember forever. I have an elementary education background, and so I'm a huge believer in kids not only hearing and seeing, but doing. And I think they're going to really find their niche if they have their hands in it and can figure out what they love.
The 3 career clusters that we are highlighting in this classroom, we have culinary, we also have welding, and then there is an electrical manufacturing class as well. The walls open and close.
My entire background, I was 15 years a general contractor. I went from a nail banger to a superintendent. I learned trades, I learned multiple trades. All that happened in my lifetime before I came back into the world of education. So for me, it's a personal passion for these kids to understand not everybody has to go to college.
For me, this project has been like the most fun. Because it allowed me to take some of those things I knew as an elementary educator and bring it into the middle school space. I would say exhibit concepts made me feel comfortable in an area that I wasn't familiar with, and also just made me feel confident that we were going to get a good product.
Our goal in this space is to prepare them and expose them so that they have hands-on experiences and exposure before they have to start choosing their pathways in high school and what career they might pursue.
And I want them to leave walking across the path to the high school and be prepared to pick classes and pick the pathway that's going to best meet their needs so that they're excited for their future.